rarely do we ever see Super Friends perform badly in a game. Laging nakakapag-dish out siya ng damage, laging nagagawa niya yung kailangan niyang gampanan. And lagi nating ina-attribute yung Luyi dito sa taong to because stable yung performance by Super Friends in this entire 8-0 run, 9-0 run by the Super Family. So, I think no, yung Lord Steal niya Super Friends is not just yung best thing that he did, but that costed them the win for sure.
And when we look at Super Friends, no, napaka-creative kasi nitong manlalaro na to. Ito yung tipo na player na kapag ka binigyan mo ng katulad na nalaman na hero na Valentina, ay hindi lamang isang ulti lang yung alam niyang gamitin. And usually kasi, no, normal na kumuha ka ng ulti, pero para alam mo kung paano gamitin yung ulti na yun is something else. At sa larong ito, ang dami nating nakitang glorious pathway na napakaganda para sa Fnatic Onyx.
Yung gumagawa